Now we'll take 7th problem, that is a box contains 36 clips. 124 such boxes are packed in each carton. How many clips 1698 such cartons contains? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ 36 ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ ಅದಾವು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಂಥವ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 124 ಅಥವಾ 124 ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವೆ. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ದಾಗ ರೆಟಿನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ದಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಟನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಟಿನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ದಾಗ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ಎಷ್ಟ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ದಾಗ 36 ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ ಅದಾವು. ಅಂಥ 124 ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾರ್ಟನ್ದಾಗ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ದಾಗ. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ 1698 ಸಚ್ ಕಾರ್ಟನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಥವು ಅಂದರೆ 36 ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ ಇರೋ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ 124 ಅದಾವ. ಅಂಥ 124 ಬಾಕ್ಸ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಟನ್ದಾಗ ಹಾಕ್ಯಾರ. ಅಂಥವ 1698 ಕಾರ್ಟನ್ ಅದಾವ. ಹಾಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಪ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರು. ಈಗೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು, ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ 124 ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಟನ್ದ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಟನ್ದಾಗಿರೋ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ಲೆ 1698 ಕಾರ್ಟನ್ದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೋದು. ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ, that is number of clips in one box is 36. Here a box contains 36 clips means number of clips in one box is 36. Now how many boxes are there? 124. Therefore number of clips in 124 boxes is, if we multiply number of boxes by clip contains each box, number of clips contains each box, if we multiply these two, we will get total number of clips in 124 box or in one carton. That is, after multiplication 124 and 36 we get 6 4s are 24, 6 2s are 12 plus 2 is 14 and 6 1s are 6 plus 1 is 7. Now we will multiply by 3, 3 4s are 12, 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 3 1s are 3. Now after 4, 6, 14, 4, 4 4 6 4. We get product as 4464. 4464 clips are there in 124 boxes, are 124 boxes are packed in one carton. That is, we can write this one also, number of clips in one carton or 124 box, because one carton contains 124 boxes. So each box contains 36 clips. Then one carton, number of clips in one carton is 4464 number. Now we find number of cartons, number of clips in one carton is this much, and number of clips in how many cartons are there? Totally 1698 cartons are there. Therefore number of clips in 1698 cartons contains question mark. If we multiply number of clips in each carton and total number of cartons, if we multiply, we will get total number of clips in carton. That is 4464 into 1698 or 1698 into 4468. If we multiply, either way we get the product as same. After multiplying this, we get this is the, therefore total number of clips in 1698 cartons is, therefore number of clips in or total number of clips in 1698 cartons is this much. How much? 75,75,872 clips are there in 1698 cartons. You are supposed to multiply this one here in this way also. Here only. In side or below this one you can multiply and write this one. After that multiplication process completes. Eighth one, an oil refinery produces 25,680 liters of oil every hour. How much oil is produced in 2 days? That is, first of all we should calculate how many hours makes 2 days. That is, 1 day is equal to 24 hours, 2 days is 48 hours. This one we will write first, then we start multiplying this one. First of all, we should know this is given in oil refinery produces 25,680 liters of oil every hour. In 1 hour, it produces this much quantity of oil. Then in 2 days means in 2 days how many hours are there we should calculate. Then we should write the data. Now 1 day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours. 2 days. 2 days is 24 into 2, that is 48 hours. So now oil produced in our quantity of oil produced in 1 hour is this much. Quantity of oil produced in 48 hours is, we should multiply this one by 48. Then we will get the result. First we will write the data. That is, quantity of oil produced in 1 hour is how much? 25,680 liters. Then quantity of oil produced in how many hours totally? 2 days makes 48 hours. That is, oil produced in 48 hours is how many liters? Now we will multiply. In 1 hour, 25,680 liters of oil is produced. In 48 hours, we will calculate. After multiplying oil produced in 1 hour by 48, then we will get oil produced in 48 hours. After multiplying this one, we will get the result in liters. That is 123264 liters. 640 liters. Liters of oil is produced in 2 days. That is 12,32,640 liters of oil is produced in 2 days. Therefore, quantity of oil produced in 2 days is this much. You are supposed to multiply this one below this and then you write this statement. That is, quantity of oil produced in 2 days is equal to this many liters. Now we will take 9th problem, that is, a machine costs rupees 65342, that is 65,342 rupees. What is the cost of 6 dozen machines? First of all, we should know how many articles are there in 1 dozen. That is, 1 dozen is equal to 12 articles or 12 items. So if you multiply 6 and 12, we will get 72. So here, instead of finding 6, we should find 72 machines. Cost of 72 machines. Cost of 1 machine is given here, and cost of 6 dozen means 6 into 12 6 are 72. So 72 machines. Cost of 72. Instead of giving cost of 72 machines, they have made slight change. That is, instead of 72 items or machines, they have given 6 dozen. So, in this way, we solve. First of all, we write cost of one machine is this much. Cost of, first of all, 1 dozen is equal to 12 items or articles. Then 6 dozen. 6 dozen is equal to 12 into 6, that is 72 machines here. Now we'll write cost of one machine is rupees 65342 and cost of how many machines? Total 72 machines are there. 6 dozen means 72 machines. Is rupees, we don't know. Cost of one machine is how much? 65342. Totally how many machines are there? 6 dozen. 6 dozen means 72. If we multiply cost of one machine by 72, then we will get what is the cost of 72 machines or 6 dozen machines. After multiplying these two, we get product as rupees 4704 624. This is 47,04,624 is the cost of 6 dozen machines. Therefore, the cost of 6 dozen machines is this much. You multiply these two numbers below this one only, and at the end you write this statement after checking whether you get the product this one as or not. Now 10th one, what is the product of largest 4-digit and largest 2-digit numbers? So first of all we should know which is the largest 4-digit number, that is 9999 is the largest 4-digit number, and largest 2-digit number is 99 is the largest 2-digit number. What is this? The largest 4-digit number is this one, and the largest 2-digit number is 99. Now to get the product we will multiply these two. So therefore the product is how much? 9999 into 99. You should multiply this one here only. 9999 into 99. After this, what you will get? You should write here. Therefore, the product is equals to nine eight nine 901 is the product. 11th one, a man earns rupees 5550 per month. How much will he earn in 2 years? a man works for 1 month and he gets rupees income as 5550, then how much he will earn or how much money he will collect in 2 years? In this way, see here, first of all, the salary is given for 1 month. Now they are told you to calculate how much salary he will earn in 2 years. First we should find how many months are there in 1 year, and then we will calculate months in 2 years. That is, 1 month contains 12, 1 year contains 12 months. So 2 years, 12 into 2 is 24 months. So we will calculate salary for 1 month is given, salary for 24 months is given, that we will get salary of 2 years. Now we start writing data. First we should know how many years are there in a year. 1 year is 12 months. Then 2 year makes 12 into 2 is 24 months. Now salary for 1 month is given. Earning in 1 month is how much? Rupees 5550. Then earning in 24 months is rupees. We should calculate by multiplying. Earning of 1 month is 5550. How many months are there? He will work for 24 months. 2 years means 24 months. So after multiplying this one, you should multiply below this one only. You should solve one problem in each page. So there is enough space in one page for this multiplication. After multiplying this, we will get, that is, the result is 133,200. 1,33,200 rupees he will earn in 2 years. Total earning of that man in 2 years is this much. This is the answer.